6 Techniques to guard against bird damage to synthetic EIFS stucco. You may protect synthetic stucco from bird damage in a number of ways. Technique 1. Install physical barriers. To keep birds away from the stucco surface, you can cover it with physical obstacles like netting or wire mesh. Technique 2. Use bird spikes to deter birds from landing. Bird spikes are thin, pointed strips that can be put on ledges and other flat surfaces. These can serve as an effective bird deterrent, but make sure you install them properly by adhering to the manufacturer's installation instructions. Technique 3. Use a bird repellent. To prevent birds from building nests or roosting on the stucco surface, a variety of repellents are available. These repellents may use a variety of techniques, such as taste or smell, to dissuade birds. Make careful to abide by the usage guidelines provided by the manufacturer. Technique 4. Trim the trees and shrubs around your home. By reducing the number of bird nesting locations around, you can limit the likelihood that birds would choose your residence as a spot to sleep or build a nest. Technique 5. Install a predator decoy. Owls and other predatory birds make good decoys for preventing smaller birds from roosting or nesting in certain places. To help deter birds from nesting close to the stucco, these decoys can be positioned on ledges or in trees nearby. Technique 6. Use a bird deterrent sound system. There are gadgets that emit noises that are intended to keep birds away from particular regions. In order to guarantee that these gadgets are installed and used correctly, make sure to heed the manufacturer's usage guidelines.